If you're trying to sign in to your Roblox account but you keep getting the message, "An unknown error has occurred. Please try again," then this tutorial will show you several methods you can use to fix the problem. This issue has been reported by many Roblox users on community forums and Reddit, so if you're seeing this error, you're definitely not the only one. In many cases, the problem isn't caused by your account, but by a network or connection issue. So, let's get started. The first solution you should try is using a VPN. Many users have reported that simply connecting to a different server through a VPN allowed them to sign in without seeing the error again. You can use any trusted VPN service. In this tutorial, I'm using NordVPN, but other reliable VPN providers should work as well. I'll leave the VPN link in the description if you want to check it out. After installing the VPN, open it and sign in to your account. Now connect to a different server. For example, you can choose a server located in the United States or another nearby country. Once the VPN connection has been established, don't disconnect it yet. Now open Roblox again, tap on Login and enter your email address or username along with your password. Many users found that once they tried signing in while connected to a VPN, the login completed successfully and the unknown error disappeared. If the first server doesn't work, try connecting to another VPN location and attempt to sign in again. Now, if you don't have access to a VPN, don't worry. There are a few other things you can try. The next solution is to switch to a different internet connection. If you're currently connected to your home Wi-Fi, try using your mobile data instead. If you're already using mobile data, connect to another Wi-Fi network if one is available. You can also enable the hotspot feature on another phone and connect your device to that network before trying to log in again. Changing your network gives your device a different IP address, which has helped many users get past this login error. If you're playing Roblox on mobile, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data is one of the quickest things to test. After changing your connection, completely close the Roblox app and open it again before trying to sign in.